In the quest for convenient, health-conscious snacks, protein bars have surged in popularity, touted as a quick fix for nutrition on the go. But have you ever wondered if these bars, with their promise of high protein and low sugar, might not be as healthy as they seem? While they're marketed as the ultimate energy booster and diet aid, could they be hiding something beneath their glossy wrappers? How do they stack up against candy bars, which are often dismissed as pure indulgence? In this video, we'll delve into the surprising truth about protein bars. We'll examine their actual nutritional value, dissect their ingredient lists, and compare them to candy bars to reveal why, in some cases, they might be worse for you than the sugary treat you thought you were avoiding. Let's unravel the mystery behind these supposedly healthy snacks. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive, limited-time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Breaking down the illusion of health, protein bars have become a staple for many seeking a quick, nutritious snack. Marketed with promises of muscle-building protein and minimal sugar, they often seem like a better choice than candy bars. But what's really inside these seemingly healthy treats? Let's peel back the wrapper and look beyond the marketing claims. First, consider the marketing allure. Protein bars are frequently advertised as a solution for anyone looking to build muscle or lose weight, highlighting phrases like high protein and low sugar. However, these terms can be misleading. Just because a product is labeled as high in protein doesn't automatically mean it's a healthy choice. The protein source and quality matter significantly, and the rest of the ingredients are just as crucial. Many protein bars contain high amounts of sugar, often disguised under names like glucose, syrup, maltodextrin, or agave nectar. This sugar boost can rival or even exceed the sugar content found in some candy bars. Excessive sugar intake is linked to various health issues, including weight gain, increased risk of diabetes, and energy crashes. Moreover, protein bars are loaded with artificial additives, preservatives, and flavorings to enhance taste and extend shelf life. These substances can disrupt digestion and contribute to other health problems over time. While candy bars also contain sugar and additives, their less complex ingredient lists are more straightforward. In contrast, the chemical cocktail in protein bars can be harder on your body. Understanding these hidden drawbacks is crucial. As we move forward, we'll dissect the actual ingredients of popular protein bars to reveal how they compare to candy bars and their impact on your health. By examining their components closely, we'll see if these bars truly live up to their health claims or if they're just a cleverly disguised sugary treat. Let's start with ingredient analysis. To understand why protein bars might be worse for you than candy bars, let's dive into their ingredient lists. At first glance, protein bars may seem like a healthier option, but their contents often reveal a different story. One major concern is the high sugar content in many protein bars. Despite claims of being low in sugar, these bars often contain various forms of sugar, such as high fructose corn syrup or sugar alcohols like maltitol. These ingredients contribute to a significant calorie load and can spike your blood sugar levels. In fact, some protein bars have as much sugar as or even more than candy bars, which can lead to energy crashes and weight gain over time. Additionally, protein bars are packed with artificial additives and preservatives designed to improve taste and shelf life. Ingredients like artificial sweeteners, flavors, and colorings might make the bars taste good, but they can negatively impact your health. Artificial sweeteners, for instance, have been linked to various health issues, including metabolic disorders and digestive problems. The excessive caloric density of protein bars is another concern. While they are intended to be a quick source of protein, many bars are calorie-dense, meaning they pack a lot of calories into a small serving. This can lead to consuming more calories than intended, especially if you're not careful about portion sizes. In contrast, candy bars, although high in sugar and fat, often have a more straightforward calorie profile and don't usually boast the false promise of being a health food. As we proceed, we'll look at how these ingredient issues affect your overall health and how protein bars compare to candy bars in terms of long-term impact. We'll explore the real nutritional value of these bars and their effects on your body to reveal whether they truly offer any benefits or if they're just another processed indulgence in disguise. Next is nutritional value versus practical benefits. When it comes to evaluating protein bars, it's essential to consider whether they genuinely offer the nutritional benefits they claim. While these bars are often marketed as a superior source of protein, the reality is more complex. Let's start with protein quality. Not all protein sources are created equal. Many protein bars use whey protein or soy protein isolates, which are processed forms of protein. While they provide the amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth, they often lack the full spectrum of nutrients found in whole foods. In contrast, natural protein sources like lean meats, eggs, and legumes offer a more balanced nutritional profile with additional vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Another crucial factor is satiety, how well a food keeps you feeling full. Protein bars might claim to be satisfying, but their effectiveness can be questionable. Many bars lack sufficient fiber, which plays a significant role in promoting satiety and aiding digestion. Without enough fiber, you may find yourself hungry shortly after consuming a bar, leading to overeating and potential weight gain. Whole foods, on the other hand, provide better satiety due to their natural fiber content. Energy levels are also impacted by the composition of protein bars. Many contain high amounts of simple carbohydrates and sugars, which can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar followed by crashes. This can result in fluctuating energy levels and an increased appetite. Whole foods with complex carbohydrates and healthy fats offer more stable energy and better overall nourishment. As we continue, we'll explore how the long-term health effects of consuming protein bars compare to those of candy bars. We'll examine how these bars impact blood sugar, digestive health, and overall dietary balance, providing a clearer picture of whether they're a beneficial addition to your diet or just another processed option. While protein bars might seem like a convenient and nutritious option, their long-term health effects are worth scrutinizing. Let's delve into how regular consumption of these bars can impact your overall health compared to candy bars. One significant concern is the effect of protein bars on blood sugar and insulin levels. Many protein bars contain high levels of sugar or sugar alcohols, which can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. Frequent blood sugar fluctuations can lead to insulin resistance over time, a condition where your body becomes less responsive to insulin. This increases the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Although candy bars also contain sugar, their more straightforward composition doesn't usually come with the complex additives that can further disrupt blood sugar regulation. Digestive health is another area where protein bars may fall short. Many bars contain artificial sweeteners and high amounts of sugar alcohols, which can cause gastrointestinal issues such as bloating, gas, and diarrhea in some people. Additionally, while fiber is essential for digestive health, the type of fiber found in some protein bars may not be as beneficial as the fiber from whole foods. On the other hand, candy bars typically lack fiber but are less likely to include these disruptive additives. Finally, relying on protein bars can lead to imbalances in your overall diet. They might replace more nutritious foods, leading to a lack of essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that whole foods provide. This nutritional gap can affect long-term health, increasing the risk of deficiencies and related health problems. In the next section, we'll explore healthier alternatives to protein bars and discuss how to make informed choices when selecting snacks. We'll provide practical tips for incorporating whole, nutrient-dense foods into your diet to support your overall health and well-being. If you're questioning whether protein bars are as healthy as they seem, it's worth considering alternative snack options that might offer better nutritional benefits. Embracing whole foods can be a more effective way to support your health while still satisfying your snack cravings. Whole food alternatives, instead of relying on processed protein bars, consider incorporating whole, nutrient-dense foods into your diet. For a protein boost, try snacks like Greek yogurt, which is rich in protein and probiotics for digestive health. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds and chia seeds, provide protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you full. For a quick energy boost, a piece of fruit with a handful of nuts offers natural sugars and protein without the excess additives found in many protein bars. Making informed choices. When choosing snacks, it's essential to read labels carefully and be aware of hidden ingredients. Look for products with minimal added sugars, artificial additives, and preservatives. Opt for snacks that list whole foods as their primary ingredients, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Moderation and balance. Remember, moderation is key. While protein bars can be a convenient option, they should not replace whole, nutritious foods. Strive for a balanced diet that includes a variety of food groups to ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients. Incorporating a mix of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your daily meals will provide better overall health benefits. In conclusion, while protein bars may offer a quick fix, whole foods are generally a better choice for long-term health. By focusing on natural, nutrient-rich options, you can avoid the pitfalls of processed snacks and maintain a balanced, healthful diet. In the quest for healthy snacks, protein bars often present themselves as a convenient choice, but their actual health benefits might not align with their marketing promises. With high sugar content, artificial additives, and questionable protein sources, these bars can sometimes be worse for you than candy bars. The impact on blood sugar, digestive health, and overall nutrition should make you rethink your snack options. To make better dietary choices, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like Greek yogurt, nuts, and fresh fruits. These alternatives offer genuine health benefits without the hidden downsides of processed bars. By paying closer attention to ingredient lists and embracing a balanced diet, you can support your long-term well-being and avoid the pitfalls of misleading snacks. Make a commitment today to choose whole foods over processed options and take control of your health with mindful eating. Your body will thank you for it.